Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a content creator even if you don't have experience. The reason most brands get stuck with invisibility, no sales, no DM, no leads is because they lack this content creation strategy. I have analyzed over 100 creators such as Alex Omozi, Danlo, Lara Acosta, Max Gray, and so many other successful creators, and they are doing the same thing I'm about to teach you. So how do you create a compelling content? In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. Before we go into the nitty-gritty of content creation, I'm Pamela Aruma. I help B2B SaaS founders and tech professionals create and write compelling content that get them seen and heard. I've gotten thousands of views for most brands and help them build their personal brand and business. And I'm going to show you how in just 3 steps. And trust me, if you follow this down to the step 3, you are going to be a go-to person in your niche. Step 1, define your why. If you don't know your why, that's where you start failing. And the answer isn't even what you think. I have seen it a lot. Most founders are good to explain what they do, but freeze when asked why they do it. And if your answer is to make money, congratulations, you have started failing and driving your audience away because people don't like spending and people don't like to be sold to. So how do you go about this? You should have a primary why and a secondary why. A strong why is rooted in struggle. What problem is your audience facing that you want to solve? What experience have you been in the past that you have solved or have come out from it that you want to become a problem solver to those people experiencing it? Take for instance, a SaaS founder can create a product because they wasted 20 hours in bad onboarding. So they create a tool that fastens the process of onboarding. So your why should be rooted in struggle. The secondary why, it might be your vision, where you want to be in the next 5 years, or the vision you want your product to take. So your why makes people trust you, your why makes people buy from you, your why makes people join your community. Yes, this point is powerful, but if you don't couple it with the second step, you have lost it. Step 2, niche down. Finding your niche is the most evergreen content you can create as a beginner in content creation. A niche is that specific area or product or services that you want to be known for to a certain people or demographics. Your niche is your identity, and here are 3 steps you can use to carve out a niche. Step 1, passion. Ask yourself, what's one topic you can talk about for hours without getting tired or bored? Why this is important is that no matter how bad or how many times you fail, you will always rise. You will never give up because that's your passion. The second step is identify their pain points. Take for instance, I love writing, but then I didn't stop there. I attach it to a certain people that have a problem. So instead of saying you are a UIS designer, you can attach it to a point by saying that you help startup reduce bug or churn by simplifying the onboarding process. That way, even if 10 people or 100 people are doing the same thing you are doing, you will stand out. Step 3, check the market in demand. Are people paying for what you are serving? Are people paying for what your passion is all about? If you check the market in demand and there are people paying for it, then that's your niche. You have found your niche and then you should go into it. At this point, I believe that you have subscribed to my channel and have liked this video. This helps me and encourages me to create more videos like this. So if you haven't subscribed, click the button below and subscribe to my channel. Step 3, your target audience. Your product, skill, or services isn't failing you because it is bad. It is failing you because you don't know who it is for. Yes, this can be the hardest part of content creation, but it is the easiest part if you know who you are working for. Your audience are those people interested in your product and are experiencing the pain points that you're solving. They are people that are likely to buy your products and you know where to find them online. So if your target audience are businesses, that's broad. You can narrow it down to fintech, edtech, or other areas. Just make it very specific about the people your product is serving. The second step is identify their pain points. I've repeated this and said it over and over again because that's the key area of converting content as a beginner in content creation. They feel like you know what they are passing through and they will reach out to you. Content that will make them say, oh, you are talking to me. If you don't do this, you might waste 2 years, 3 years creating content and nobody is searching for you online. The third point is to use data to validate and confirm if your findings are accurate. You can use the LinkedIn groups, Reddit, Quora. So if you are still struggling to create content online or struggling to build a personal brand and business online, you should use this step. Define your why before starting, narrow down your niche, and then know your target audience inside out. These are the 3 steps we have treated so far in this tutorial, and if you still need to upgrade, you can join the community below of founders and tech professionals who are ready to build a personal brand and business using content that convert and attract users. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the perfect time for you to do so. Click the subscribe button, like my content, and comment. So see you in my next video. Peace out.